My friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a hot paper deal over at Walgreens. You will have to do this as a curbside pickup. Let me explain this to you really quickly. Order this through your phone or a desktop computer, drive to the store and pick it up, thus called a curbside pickup. So this is what we're ordering for this little dealio. Please pay attention. You're grabbing the following products. So what we're going to do, guys, is grab 3 of the Scott's paper towels and 3 of the Scott toilet paper. There's a $1.25 IVC attaching to that. Unfortunately, the last many, I'm going to say years, Kleenex has always been part of this. It's not attaching because I've tried it. So you have to stick to these 2. Just to answer that question really quick, because I know a lot of you would rather get Kleenex, but it's not attaching and I don't know why. So I have to talk weird like this. Okay, so just to jog you through this deal very quickly. As you can see, the paper towel is $5 and it's the $1.25 IVC. Now it says BOGO 50% off, but the IVC is what's attaching. So that's kind of like a redundant sales thing, but who knows. That digital IVC is also of a one-time use, just to note that. So if you were going to do this deal, like say 3 times on the same store card, it's a one and done. And I think the max you can order is 3 of each paper product. Also, just to answer that question really quickly. So this is what your IVC looks like, and it says off of Scott's paper towel or bath tissue. This always had Kleenex included, but it's not this time. So I don't know why. Don't shoot the messenger, but it's a $1.25 off, and this is what you need loaded. So looking at the next slide, we're also going to be going for the pickup. So if you look at the left-hand side, so thus you either drive to the store and an employee will bring it out to your car, or you go to the photo department and then show up and place the order online, show up to the photo department and say, "Hi, I'm here for my order." And they'll say, "Oh, Mrs. Smith, okay, here's all your paper products." They usually put all these paper products in a cart. They'll just hand it to you. It's already been paid for. Easy breezy. You're in and out of the store in 20 seconds flat, let's hope. Maybe not. Okay, we're also going to be grabbing 3 of these toilet papers, and it's on the exact same promotion as the paper towel. And when you get your receipt, let's not forget to photograph this to Fetch Rewards. This is part of their catalog. You'll get some extra points for this. Already thinking ahead there. So when you are checking out, on the bottom left-hand side, you can enter a code. So this is the code that you're going to add. It's SORRY15. And I say that weird because I'm Canadian. It's sorry. I do not know how long this code will be active. Thus, I'm saying to move on this really quickly because I don't think this is going to be around very long. Sometimes they let these live for like maybe 2 days, which is 48 hours, and then they pull it. And as you can see, my beautiful IVC, $7.50 gone. So looking at this now, after I've applied it, I have my $7.50 IVC for the 6 paper products, plus SORRY15 is another $2.25 melted off right there. So looking at my order summary now, the total was $22.50. Subtracting the promotions that I just showed you in the slides previous, we're doing a curbside pickup, so that is free. And now I have my taxes right there for 77 cents. So my new total is $13.52 for the 6 paper products. But since we're extreme couponers, I think we can do a little better than this. What do you guys think? I think we can. So looking at this again, if you go to the left-hand side of the payment page, you can actually scroll down and use up to $10 of Walgreens cash. I absolutely would for this. Here's why. You need to use your Walgreens cash. And for a lot of people who are like, this is wasting money. For 6 paper products where you go to the store and everything's always changing prices so creatively every other day, I think this is super uber smart to pay $3.52 for 6 paper products. I think it's just very smart. My opinion. And you can also choose when you're checking out to substitute if they run out of a certain product. Maybe they can give you like the Walgreens generic paper towel or something like that. My experience with this is usually they just cancel that part. So say they have the toilet paper but no more paper towel, they will just cancel one without the other. But maybe you can write like little notes or something like that, and you'll have a very conscientious employee fulfilling your order, and it should be magic. Do this deal right away, guys. That SORRY15 will not last long. Good luck. I did it this morning with some success. So hopefully you guys have the same thing, and hopefully your orders get fulfilled. I would do it ASAP. Okay guys, so to revisit Sunday's haul video that I did with the Tresemme, and my brain must have been fried. And I think it was because I was going so hard with the Gain deals over at the Dollar General on the day previous. And sometimes when you go really hard at the Dollar General, I don't know about you guys, but sometimes you just feel kind of like just your brain's in a fog the next day. And that's how I genuinely felt. But with this, I didn't read the tags properly. And I want to give a big shout out to Wanda. She's been with the channel since I think the channel was born years ago. Really nice lady. So Wanda, thank you so much. She just pointed it out and she's like, no, this is a weird tag. So the tag says, and this is strange, spend 20, get back a $5 register reward. I thought it was Walgreens cash. I made an assumption, and that is a bit of egg and stupidity on my face. That $5 register reward did not print for me. It wasn't Walgreens cash. It was a register reward. Now, the very, very nice manager at my store just credited me the $5 because that was the discrepancy. But if this happened to you where you bought like 2 Tresemmes and 3 Pantenes and tried to make a deal work for you, what I would recommend is to photograph your receipt and send a message to the Catalina company. I'll leave a video in the notes and at the very end how to get in touch with them. It's an easy process, and within a week they will mail you that register reward. And I apologize about the confusion, but we'll spend 20. Get back 5 is always the thing. So they kind of changed the wording and the verbiage and the this and the that. And this girl just got confused. And honestly, to edit that video yesterday, like I was going in circles because I'm like, and I tried getting in touch with customer service and I couldn't figure it out and they couldn't figure it out. They probably thought I was crazy. But yeah, it's just bizarre. And the final thing I wish to talk about today is I got an email on my husband's store card of earn 5 when you spend 20. And it's from the 27th to the 27th of March to April the 2nd. Now with this one, brace yourself guys. I never got it in my digital coupons account, but yet I got an email. And when I pressed the get offer, it's like error, error, error. The app was having a ton of issues Saturday night, all of Sunday. I do not know what this is about, but I have the email. So if I go and spend $20 on whatever deal and I want to get my $5 back, I get in touch with customer service and they will credit me for this because the email was sent out. So I don't know if you keep all of your emails or if you delete your emails, but you might want to look through this because I had an issue on my husband's store card where an email was sent out, yet the digital coupon is not there. So it's kind of weird. So second weird thing of the day. Do that paper deal ASAP and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.